Hey guys, so today I'm talking about this Maven Botanics Enlightened Face Oil Serum, and it feels so good on your skin. I just had to share it with you guys. It's made with all natural products, which you guys know I love, and I'm all about trying to find those right now. I've been using it for about the past 3 weeks, and I really love it, so I wanted to share it with you guys today. And we're also giving one away on Instagram. If you follow me and Maven Botanics, I've posted the picture. You can go like it, share with your friends, and make sure to get one of these for yourself. I also really love that she uses essential oils. It has 3 of my very favorite oils in it. Frankincense, lavender, and bergamot. It smells wonderful. I use those a lot on my face anyways, so to not have to put them in my products every single day or mix up my own serum is really nice, just to have it all in there already. She is a master esthetician, so she really knows what she's talking about, and she knows that how to put all the products together that really work for your face. Sorry, you can hear my daughter in the background. How I use it is I put it with my Serum moisturizer. I either put it right in the moisturizer or I add it to their serum. Sometimes I just use it by itself because I love it so much. And I have seen a really big difference with, I don't know if you can see on the camera, probably not, but I do have some dark spots that have popped up post-pregnancy, and it's mostly the top of my forehead and the top of my cheeks where sunspots would normally show up. Oh, it smells so good. I always have to stop and smell it, but they have lightened since I've been using this serum. I've searched everywhere for a product that would actually do that. There's a ton that claim to do that, and I've been told by some people that they may never really lighten up. So to have it actually work is amazing, and I'm so excited to keep using it. I know I have a lot of moms that follow along with me, so if you have had this problem, I would definitely recommend checking this out. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check back next week. I am going to try and have another video up for you guys, and make sure you go enter the giveaway.